In this tutorial, you will learn how to download and install the Movies and TV app in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now open your Microsoft Store to download the Movies and TV app again. Search for Movies and TV. Click on Movies and TV. Press the Get button to start downloading Movies and TV. Wait for Movies and TV to be downloaded and installed. Now your Movies and TV app should be installed. Now open your Movies and TV app. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.